Hello students, how are you? Good morning. I'm Krishna Nayak, your chemistry teacher, and today we are going to solve our exercise question number 4.23 to question number 4.28, right? Let's start with the question number 4.23. The rate constant for the decomposition of hydrocarbon is 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse at 546 Kelvin. If the energy of activation is 179.9 kilojoule per mole, what will be the value of pre-exponential factor? Right? What is given in this equation? The given is that first of all rate constant, right? The rate constant for the reaction is given. And also the temperature is given at the 546 Kelvin temperature this reaction is occurring, and at that temperature the activation energy, right, the activation energy is 179.9 kilojoule per mole. We have to find out the pre-exponential factor, means we have to find out the A which is present in the Arrhenius equation, right? So first of all, write the given data. The value of K or rate factor, rate constant is 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. The temperature given is 546 Kelvin. Activation energy equal to 179.9 kilojoule per mole. Right? You have to convert this kilojoule into a joule by the multiplying 10 to the power 3. And the R is the universal gas constant, which is 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse, right? Now, according to the Arrhenius equation, you know the equation of the Arrhenius, K equal to A into E power EA by RT, right? So, for this term, we have to take a ln both of side, right? log बेस e हमें दोनों साइड लेना पड़ेगा ताकि ये जो e है, e की पावर में जो है वो क्या हो जाएगा, तो ये पावर आगे आ जाएगी मल्टीप्लिकेशन में और log e बेस e 1 हो जाएगा, सही है। सो log बेस e को आप ln से भी रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हो। सो यू विल गेट ln इक्वल टू ln k इक्वल टू, ये यहाँ पे जब लॉग लगाएंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, जो एक्सपोनेंट है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में आगे आ जाएगा, और जो हमारा लॉग ई बेस ई होता है वो क्या होता है 1, तो वो हमने 1 लिखा नहीं है। एंड ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो दोनों को सेपरेट लॉग मिलेगा और साथ में वो दोनों कैसे आ जाएंगे, तो एडिशन में आ जाएंगे। सो यू विल गेट ln a, right, plus ln a, right? Now for the calculation we need not log e, we need a log base 10. So we have to convert that log e into a log base 10, right? For that we have to multiply by 3.303. So ln e equal to 2.303 log base 10, right? Now here we divide, after the converting this ln into a log base 10, we divide by 2.303, so we will get log k equal to minus ea by 2.303 rt plus log a, right? पहले हमने इस ln को log में convert किया, after that we divide by this term, so we will get this equation. Now we want a value of that a. So subject that a you and rearrange the formula, you will get log a equal to log k plus ea by 2.303 rt, right? कि ये वाली टर्म जो है वो अदर साइड आ जाएगी तो ये माइनस का प्लस हो जाएगा। नाउ वी नो द वैल्यूज ऑफ के ea r and t, so replace that all values, right? Here we have to see a log of 2.418 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we having a two term, so it will convert it into a log 2.418 plus log of 10 to the power minus 5. तो log 10 1 हो जाएगा और ये minus 5 इसके multiplication में आ जाएगा, और we have to see the log of that 2.418. So you will get log of this term is 0.38 35 and log for this term is -5, right? Plus if you simplify whole term, right, then you will get 17.2082, right? Now the addition, if you subtract this term, you will get -4.6165, and as it is this above term, right? If you simplify that 2 digit, you will get log A is equal to 12.5917, right? Now we have to take a anti-log, right, because we want only A. So we have to remove this log, and for the removing this log we have to multiply both the side by anti-log, right? So this log and anti-log will be cancelled out, and you will get A equal to anti-log of 12.5917, right? And the anti-log for this term is 3.19 into 10 to the power 12 second inverse. यहाँ पे ये जो पॉइंट के आगे की टर्म होती है वो डायरेक्ट पावर में चली जाती है, और यू हैव टू सी द एंटीलॉग फॉर दिस टर्म, राइट? 0.5917, right? So the value of k which we have to find is 3.91 into 10 to the power 12 second inverse. Now our next question is, consider a certain reaction A gives product with k equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power -2 second inverse. Calculate the concentration of A remaining after 100 seconds if the initial concentration of A is 1.0 mole per liter, right? We have to calculate what? The remaining concentration of A, right? Remaining concentration of A. After the t is equal to 100 second, वो remaining concentration कब हमें find out करनी है? After the 100 second. And the given data, the initial concentration of A is given, which is 1 mole per liter, right? And also the rate constant K equal to 2.0 into 10 to the power -2 second inverse given. Now here the order of reaction is not given, right, in the question, but you can see the unit of that K, rate constant, and we discussed earlier in the theory that if we know the unit of rate constant, we can decide that what is the order of reaction, right? मतलब यहाँ पे जो K का यूनिट है वो सेकेंड इनवर्स से, मतलब ये रिएक्शन कौन सी है? तो हमारी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन है, ओके? बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दिस यूनिट वी कैन डिसाइड दैट द ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन, ओके? So from the unit of K, the reaction seems to be first order, and its integrated rate law is K equal to 2.303 by T log R naught by R, right? And also write the given data, the rate constant given, time given, R naught given. We have to find out that concentration of R, remaining concentration of A. R means remaining concentration for the A, right? So replace the value of that K, T and R naught which are given, alright? So replace the value. Now you want that R, so subject that log 1 by R1 and rearrange the formula. So that 100 goes in the multiplication, and that 1.1303 goes in the division. If you simplify that, you will get 0.8684. Now here the term is log 1 by concentration of R, and this term is written as log concentration of R having power -1. से ये वो क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर में है, वो न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा तो उसका पावर -1 हो जाएगा. Now this -1 exponent goes in the multiplication of that log. So if after this, if we multiply both of sides by the -1, we will get log concentration of R equal to minus of 0.8684, right? Now we want the value of our remaining concentration of reactant, right? So we take anti-log both of sides. So that log and anti-log will be cancelled out, at the left hand side, and we will get our concentration of R equal to antilog of minus 0.8684. Right. Now if we see the antilog for this term, you will get concentration of R equal to 0.1354 mole per liter. Do you get it? Okay, काफी simple है. Now exercise 4.25. Sucrose decomposes in acid solution into glucose and fructose according the first order rate law with T half equal to 3 hours. What fraction of sample of sucrose remain after 8 hours? Right? हमें क्या दिया गया है कि जो सुक्रोज है उसका डिकम्पोजिशन हो रहा है और वो कन्वर्ट हो रहा है ग्लूकोज एंड फ्रुक्टोज में. जो ये रिएक्शन दी गई है डिकम्पोजिशन ऑफ सुक्रोज इज अ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन, राइट? एंड द half life for this reaction is given that T half is equal to 3 hours. Right? We have to find out the fraction of sample of sucrose remain after 8 hours. 8 hours के बाद जो fraction हमारा sucrose remaining sucrose है उसका हमें fraction find out करना है. मतलब कि यहाँ पे अगर बात करें तो T half given है 3 hours. टाइम गिवन है जिसके बाद हमें ऑब्जर्वेशन करना है वो है 8 hours एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द फ्रैक्शन for the sucrose. Remaining sucrose means we have to find out the concentration of sucrose at the time t and the initial concentration. तो ये दोनों का हमें रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. सही है. Now for the first order reaction T half is equal to 0.693 by K. So K will be 0.693 by T half. The T half is given, replace the value, so you will get K equal to 0.231 hour inverse, right? Now the integrated equation for the first order is K equal to 2.303 by T log R naught by R. We already find out the value of K, replace that. T is given, we have to observe the remaining concentration of reactant or sucrose after the 8 hours, so our T will be 8, right? And log R naught by R, right? Now take this term, whole term, into the other side of equal to, so that 8 goes in the multiplication and that 2.303 goes in the division, right? So if you simplify that, you will get that the log R naught by R equal to 0.8024, right? Now we want the ratio of not R naught by R, but we want the ratio of RT by R naught. So if we take for the reciprocal of this term, we will get log of concentration of R divided by concentration of R naught whole having power -1, right? वो -1 कहाँ पे चला जाएगा तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन में चला जाएगा. सो यू विल गेट माइनस लॉग ऑफ R by R naught equal to 0.8024. Now if we multiply by -1 both of the side, we will get log of R by R naught equal to minus 0.8024. Now we want that fraction, so we have to multiply by antilog both of sides. So log and antilog will be cancelled out at the left hand side, and you will get R by R naught equal to antilog of minus 0.8024, right? The antilog for this term is 0.158. मीन्स हमें जो फाइंड आउट करना था द रिमेनिंग सुक्रोज सैंपल फ्रैक्शन विल बी R by R naught equal to 0.15, right? Now exercise question number 4.26. The decomposition of hydrocarbon follows the equation K equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 11 second inverse into e power minus 18,000 K divided by T. Calculate EA. राइट यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, तो हाइड्रोकार्बन का डिकम्पोजिशन हो रहा है अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस इक्वेशन, राइट, जिसके अकॉर्डिंग डिकम्पोजिशन हो रहा है वो इक्वेशन दिया गया है, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द activation energy for this decomposition of a hydrocarbon, right? So write the first decomposition of hydrocarbon followed that, right, which is given by this formula. So write that formula and give the equation number 1. Now according to the Arrhenius equation, the formula will be K equal to A into e power minus EA by RT, right? You can, if you compare that two terms, you get some similarity, right? Like that is the rate constant, and this one is also for the rate constant. Here you can see the A in the multiplication of E. Here also one term is there which is in the multiplication of the E. So we can say that the value of A will be for this equation is 4.5 into 10 to the power 11, right? Now E having power minus EA by RT, here E having power minus 18,000 divided by T into Kelvin, right? So give the equation number 2. If we compare that both equation, then we can compare that term, only that term, right? So we will get EA by RT equal to 28,000 by T into Kelvin, right? क्योंकि हमारे पास था e रेस टू माइनस EA by RT, और दूसरा जो फर्स्ट इक्वेशन है उसमें है e रेस टू माइनस 28,000 डिवाइडेड बाई T इंटू कैल्विन. तो e कैंसल आउट हो गया, माइनस माइनस कैंसल आउट हो गया, सो वी विल गेट EA by RT इज इक्वल टू 2800 by T. नाउ वी वांट द value of that EA. So subtract that and rearrange the formula. Now here the temperature will be cancel out. So you will get 28,000 into R, right? It's a unit Kelvin, right? Replace the value of R. So 28,000 Kelvin into 8.314, and a unit for the R is Joule, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse. That Kelvin will be cancel out. So you will get the activation energy 232.79 किलो जूल पर मोल, राइट? यहाँ से जो यूनिट मिलेगा वो होगा जूल पर मोल. उसको जो भी आंसर होगा उसको आप डिवाइडेड बाय 1000 करोगे, यू विल गेट द आंसर इन द किलो जूल, राइट? Means our activation energy for the given decomposition reaction is 232.79 kilojoule per mole. Now the next question is exercise question number 4.27. The rate constant for the first order decomposition of H2O2 is given by the following equation. The given equation is log K equal to 14.34 minus 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 Kelvin by temperature. Right? Calculate activation energy for this reaction and at what temperature will its half period be? 256 minutes. Right? Here the decomposition of H2O2 is carried out, and the decomposition of H2O2 is the first order reaction, right? And this reaction is following this equation, right? Now we have to calculate that activation energy, and also we have to find out the temperature when the half period for this reaction will be 256 minutes, right? So first of all, write the given equation. The rate constant for first order decomposition of H2O2 is given by the reaction. The reaction given is that log K is equal to 14.34 minus 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 Kelvin by temperature, right? Give the number, it's a wo. Now according to the Arrhenius equation, we having the equation K is equal to A into e power minus EA by RT. If we simplify that, or we take up both side log base E, and then we convert that ln into a log base 10, we will get log k equal to log a minus a by 2.303 RT, राइट. ये इक्वेशन क्यों लिया, तो यहाँ पे भी log k के अकॉर्डिंग कुछ दिया गया है. सो वी कन्वर्ट दैट Arrhenius इक्वेशन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ दैट log k, right, and give the equation number 2. So we can compare that whole equation, right, that is the log k. Here you can see the log k. Here log a is present, and on behalf of that there is some value of 14.34, means it may be the value of for the log a, right. And also here given is that 1.25 into 10 to the power 4, right, means we can compare that whole term with the minus a by 2.303 RT. That minus minus will be cancelled out, means we can compare that term with this term, right. So comparing the equation 1 and 2, we will get A by 2.303 RT equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 by T into Kelvin, right. The temperature and temperature will be cancelled out, so we will get activation energy equal to, ये टर्म सारी यहाँ चली जाएगी. So 2.303 into R into 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 Kelvin, right. Replace the value of R. So we will get 2.303 into 8.314. Now the unit for the R is Joule, mole inverse, Kelvin inverse, right, into 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 Kelvin. That Kelvin and Kelvin will be cancelled out. So you will get the activation energy is 239.34 kilojoule per mole, right. First of all you will get the activation energy in the joule per mole, then you have to divide by the 1000, so you will get the answer in the kilojoule per mole, right. So the first thing which we have to find out is already calculated. Now we also have to find out the temperature for when half period will be 256 मिनट, राइट. जब हाफ पीरियड इतना हो उसके लिए टेम्परेचर क्या होगा वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. फॉर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी कैलकुलेट द वैल्यू ऑफ के फ्रॉम दिस गिवन टी हाफ. So we will get T half is equal to 0.693 by K. K is equal to 0.693 by T half, right, equal to 0.693 divided by 256. Now this value is given in minute. So if we convert that into a second, we have to also multiply or divide by this 60, right. So here we are converting this value into the second because we are going to replace that value of K in the Arrhenius equation, and in the Arrhenius equation the all terms are having a standard value, so we have to convert this minute into a second, right. So K is equal to 4.51 into 10 to the power minus 5 second inverse. Now substitute this value in the given relation. जो हमें given data है, जो given equation था उसमें अगर हम K की value replace करें then तो ये जो given relation है वो है log K equal to 14.34 minus 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 by T के, right. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया तो K की value replace कर दी, right. Now we have to see a log of 4.51 into 10 to the power minus 5. So we can say that the log of 4.51 is 0.6542, and ये दोनों टर्म क्या है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो हम दोनों को सेपरेट दे सकते हैं विद द एडिंग देम, राइट. ये दोनों के बीच में प्लस आ जाएगा और उन दोनों को सेपरेट लॉग देख सकते हैं. ये जो टर्म है उसका लॉग हो जाएगा 0.6542 और ये जो है वहां से पावर आ जाएगा आगे तो -5 एंड लॉग 10 बेस 10 हो जाएगा 1, राइट, इक्वल टू एज इट इज ये वाली टर्म. Now if you simplify that you will get a minus 4.3458 and this term will be as it is as above, right. Now we want that term T, so subtract this term. So for that we take this term to the other side of equal to, so that minus will be converted into a plus. And similarly if we take this term to other side of equal to, that also minus term converted into a positive. So we will get 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 divided by T equal to 14.34 plus 4.3458. If we add that two terms, we will get 18.6858. Now we want, ये कितना आ जाएगा 18.6858. Now we want the value of temperature. So if we take that temperature other side and also take this term into the division, so we will get temperature is equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 18.6858. The division for these two term is and if you multiply by 10 to the power 4, we will get temperature is equal to 668.96, is near about 669 Kelvin, right? तो T half जब 256 मिनट हो उसके लिए हमें टेम्परेचर कितना चाहिए 669 Kelvin. Okay, do you get it? Now our today's last question 4.28. The decomposition of A into a product has a value of K is 4.5 into 10 to the power 3 second inverse at 10 degrees Celsius, and energy of activation is 60 kilojoule per mole. At what temperature would K be 1.5 into 10 to the power second inverse? यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, कोई एक reactant A है, उसका decomposition हो रहा है, and for this decomposition reaction the value of rate constant is given, which is 4.5 into 10 to the power 3 second inverse at the 10 degrees Celsius, right? Here from this unit we can say that it is a first order reaction. Okay, वैसे इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है कौन से ऑर्डर की है, लेकिन it's a first order reaction. Now the energy of activation for this reaction is 60 kilojoule per mole, right? So K1 will be 4.5 into 10 to the power 3 second inverse. T1 is 10 degrees Celsius, means if we convert that into a Kelvin we will get to 283 Kelvin. Now activation energy is 60 kilojoule per mole, so it will be a 60 into 10 to the power 3 joule per mole, right? Now we have to find out the temperature when the value of rate constant will be 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 second inverse, right? Means it is our K2, right, equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power 4 second inverse, and we have to find out the temperature for that rate constant value. So we have to find out that T2, right? According to the Arrhenius equation, the equation is log K2 by K1 equal to EA by 2.303 into bracket 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2, right? Now the value of K2, K1, EA, R and T1 is given, only T2 is unknown, so we can easily get the value of that T2, right? So first of all replace all the terms which are given in the question, right? Now if you divide that you will get log of 3.3333 equal to, if you simplify that you will get 3133.6269, right, into 1 by 283 minus 1 by T2. Now log for this term is 0.52287 and the term of the right hand side as above, right? Now we have to find out the T2, so first of all we subtract that bracket, so this term is goes in the division, so you will get 1 by 283 minus 1 by T2 equal to that whole term, right? And if you divide that term you will get 1.6686 into 10 to the power minus 4, right? Now here we want a T2, so we subtract that term and take it the other side of equal to, so that minus term will be converted into plus. For that also we have to shift that term to the other side of equal to that, so that plus term is converted into a minus, right? Now if we divide that 1 by 283 it gives the answer, राइट, बट ये जो आंसर मिलेगा उसको हमें सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. फॉर द सब्सट्रैक्शन वी वांट द पावर ऑफ 10 सेम. Here you can see that the power of 10 is minus 4. So we already convert that division answer into power of 10 to the power minus 4. So the answer for this division with the having power 10 to the power minus 4 is 35.3357 into 10 to the power minus 4. If we now we can subtract that two terms because the power of 10 is same, right? If we subtract this term, both term, we will get 33.6671 into 10 to the power minus 4, right? This is for the 1 by T2. Now we want a answer of T2. So divide that, or we can take the reciprocal. We will get 1 by 33.6671 into 10 to the power minus 4. And for this term, if we simplify that, we will get 0.0297 into 10 to the power 4. So the temperature will be 297 Kelvin, or if you convert that in the Celsius, you will get 24 Celsius, right? Means जो रिएक्शन दी गई है उसमें जो हमारा K2 अगर हमें 4.5 into 10 to the power 3 से बढ़ा के इतना करना हो तो we have to increase the temperature from 10 to 24, right? Hope you understand all the question. If there is any query in any numericals, you can ask me. Okay, thank you.